Most of the people them what do a people saying hurt are people when a problem with and issues with. Like for example, ex-girlfriend out of Barrett Town and then with it.
Blessings. So, the other day I was contacted by a female who goes by the name of Avia. She introduced herself as the ex-girlfriend of now deceased O'Shane Earl, otherwise called Mutombo. He was from the Lottery community of Montego Bay in St. James. Late last year, he was also listed by the Jamaica Constabulary Force as one of Jamaica's most wanted. And after his reign of horror or terror, he met his fatal end last year in the parish of St. Elizabeth on his birthday, which is October 5th. So I recently uploaded part 1 of that interview where she made an attempt to clear her name from HIV allegations and also her involvement in the transportation of Mutombo on his many missions. Well, this afternoon in part 2, she admitted indirectly to some of the lives Mutombo allegedly took, including a couple that was found lifeless in bed with several gunshot wounds. Stay with us for all in detail, and remember that it is very, very important for you to watch the video throughout its entirety all the way to the end for understanding. So in the meantime, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro. We soon forward.
But by talking and talking to him now, me gradually get to go fall in love with him, and that happened to me, and me did a try to save me, could have saved him life, but it don't work. It don't work. You get a message, because me tell him to go in, which is the right way. Every time I tell him to go in, he might say, nah, go nowhere left me, he nah, go nowhere left me. So me never know what to do. It did confuse at one point. And certain things when me did love about him, he always the work. And when me look me, I say, oh, you want it and him a work. When he see say he can't get no work, I say he go bush and start plant up things for himself. Like weed and quick crop and some little things. He nah sit down. And then one thing me like with him again, second thing again, he wear him pants and them bottom. You know, some young youth that have them pants and jappy way down and do them the style there. And we have some youth who that talks like a bad man, gangster. But Mutombo no stay so. Mutombo no talk like a bad man. If you see him, as somebody would have to tell you, say, him a bad man or him a this. And I'm no bad man, he just get crazy and I take it a matter and I'm no bad man. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. You know, Preke boy is on top bad man, you know, so bad boy them there. Him ain't no bad boy like that. That's everybody they say, oh God, look how you hard working and in there. Oh, you just trigger off some man.
So you're trying to tell me that most of Mutombo's flare up was based on retaliation and frustration?
Yes. He go take a long matter and the police them did that try to save him. They did that try to carry him in, to calm him down, to see what problem and what they can do best. But he nah give them no chance to catch him, and he nah go in and he nah listen to them.
Alright, so I do have a next question though. So what have you learned from this?
What have I learned from it? I learned do not let ignorance take control and do not take the law matter in my hands. And I said, I would not want this to happen to anybody else in society. You and somebody have a problem, man. That's not the way you go at things, man. When you go at things like that, what happened to you now? You're dead. And the people, them, when you're in a problem with, then they lie down and then you kick back, they do then constructive business. So who is the fool now? You end up with your ignorance and become the fool now. So I said, I learned from it. Do not take the law matter in your hand, no matter how tough the situation is. If you can walk away, walk away. Or report it.
Hold on. So, you know, learn something if you do no bad man again or wanted man and are criminal then, so to speak.
I learned that, sir, and I acknowledge that because this is the second time I've been in a similar situation like that. This is my second boyfriend that I'm losing by the gun. But the only thing is that the first one, it was not the police.
Well, the first one was even worse. Well, what I would like to say now is don't wait on the third strike. Well, I know. What I would like to say now, don't wait on the third strike. Your third strike might be your final strike. You understand? You might go down the third time with them too.
Yes, sir. And my first boyfriend, he wasn't a bad man. He was Tyrone Edwin. He used to live in Salem and King Street. And we used to date and we used to have a good relationship. But after a while, I realized that my boyfriend was cheating. So when I realized that he was cheating, now I end the relationship with Mr. Tyrone Edwin. So I start dating with a big man now, on a plaza and Union Street. The man have a business place on a plaza. So I start dating with that big man now. Then Mr. Tyrone Edwin come at the man business place and tell me that I should come on. I said, no, I end the relationship. Leave me now. Leave me, I end the relationship. He didn't comply. He take my ear off, he pull it off, break my clothes. So I began to run. So when I run from him now, I said, you know what, I'm going home because he tear off my ear in the street and it is not looking good. So I said, let me go home back to my apartment and set up back myself or whatever. So I walk away, go home and change my ear or whatever and put back myself together. When I was at home, the gentleman at the building, they called me on my phone at the plaza and they tell me that my boyfriend went at King Street and come back. And they say when he come back with two gunmen. Two men has gun in their hands. And the business owner, they tell me that the gunman that my boyfriend Tyrone Edwin bring at their place, they tell me that the gunman beat everybody. The gunman beat the people them on the scene with their gun, beat them. About next month, about a month after, there was a games room on the same plaza. There was a games room on the same plaza on Union Street. So my boyfriend was a technician. He fixed games, computer, every type of gadgets, TVs, everything. So the man at the business place now, there's a next business place there that has a games room. The games room man called my boyfriend to fix the games. Said his games was having problems.
Your boyfriend, which was Tyrone?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes. There was a games room on the building. There was a games room on the building. A man owned the name of Manza. Manza called my boyfriend phone and tell my boyfriend to come and fix the game for him at the same plaza. So my boyfriend went at the plaza to fix the game, while I went at the examiner depot to fitness my motor vehicle. When I went back from the examiner depot, I phoned my boyfriend and he told me that he was at the game zone fixing the phone. I went around there and I took some money from my boyfriend and went home to cook. While I was there, I couldn't see my boyfriend coming home. So I went back to the plaza. When I went back to the plaza, I see the business place closed. I only see the business owner, two of the business owner, and I asked them, where's my boyfriend? They said he leave already. When I looked, the ground was completely wet. Like they used hose to wet the ground, but no rain didn't fall. So I left and I went to my boyfriend's house. When I went to his house and asked his family member for him, they say he doesn't come in. They were even laughing at me. Because them I say, like my man gone, me no know when they come. My boyfriend no come in, but me no used to my boyfriend to sleep out. I no sleep out, man. So anyway, in the morning, early, me go back up and family them house. They say no come in. So me sit down up and family them with him family them, they wait till him come. Me frightened when time my brother tell me, say, Chin, me just get one phone call, say Tyrone lay down up at Overton Plaza dead. Me run out of breath, go up there. Me never see nothing wey happen so and so fast. Yes, and until now, Tyrone have one sister named Pauline Crooks. They tell one, they look man fi kill me. They look man fi kill me. Until now, my life still go through that trauma there. Because she want to say her brother dead over me. Me never went send your brother fi go beat man with gun. Me never send your brother fi carry gunman go beat man with gun. Me never pick up him brother as a gunman. Him brother no gunman. Tyrone Edwin and no gunman and no bad man. That's why I'm there with him. So when he go get man now, if he go beat man with gun, me surprised. Me surprised. And he's so stupid. He's so stupid because by the next month after that, you go make somebody call your friend on the same plaza, so you must come now, come fix games. And the man use him and make Tyrone fix all our games them in a business place, and then Tyrone dead after, not even a pay no get. And the whole of them did it and then said they don't see what happened. That is it. And Tyrone family them did have me up. Pauline Cooks, the sister, and one little nephew when my boyfriend have up the name Simple at King Street, 12 and a half up at King Street, then live right at Matagua Bar. Yes, me did upset about the situation because me nah bust gun. And when you look now, your brother go get gun man and man come beat man. Now you want to come get me involved, Pauline Cooks. Oh, me come in at that. You can't get me involved in that, man. So me did upset. See, I'm all me live down at my house here, so I say me at 30 at the year old. Me not underage, and me not living at my parents' house. Me live by my own. So me say, even if me talk to a man and then don't like the man, come to me and say it to me. We know how to fix things. We know if I avoid the man, and if I haven't gone back a foreign or gone to Westmoreland, go somewhere go cool out for a while. You know, go take on the man by your own. And I have a major issue too. Because look, when I come out of the lockup at Cambridge, when they took away my phone, I come out September 17 and they took away the phone. The police that took away the phone is Mr. Stanley from Falmouth Police Station. So he give me a number and say I could call him when he finished run through my phone. Because the reason why I was locked up the last time, to be honest with you, because I don't tell lies, I give them a blank phone. I didn't even know how to pull the phone. So the police said, no, if it is that you are using this phone, you must know how to pull the code, Avia. So I said, I don't remember how to pull it, because I think they were going to just tell me to go and then being as I can't pull it. But no, they bring me back to Cambridge. So I was at Cambridge 10 days. So after 10 days, they come back and check me in the cell. So I said, I'm going to tell you the truth. So I hide my right phone. They said, why you do that, Avia? I said, because I can't see my boyfriend and sometimes he would call me on it. And, you know, and I was just so scared that he called and then when he called, they would tell him where to meet me and just kill him, you know. So that is the reason why I never give them the right phone at the time. So I give them the phone 10 days after. So after I give them the phone now, 10 days after, the police give me a number when I come out. He asked me a few questions about my boyfriend, how long you know him, whatever, and I signed to it. I signed my name to it because I read what I signed. So he said, call me, and I will tell you when I finish with the phone. I called the police officer to find out if he was finished with my phone. He said to me that he will call me back. He's not finished as yet. Alright. 2 weeks after the police called me and said, you get the news? I said, what news? I just wake up. I just wake up from a deep sleep. He said to me, you get the news, your boyfriend dead. And so comes me look on in media and on the news and I realize that my boyfriend dead. Alright. Me did they cry, cause you know say even though people might bad and have their dirty ways and they still have loved one. So me did know me feel a little weird and me did them moan a little bit by myself. The police called me 2 weeks after that and said to me, say, my phone ready. So me thinking go tell me say me if you come for your phone, he saying go bring the phone come over a gated community where me did stay. So he bring the phone come now. When he bring the phone come, me think say the police don't just let off the phone, give me or talk to me or whatever and leave. He said to me, say, Avia, I have a paper for Mr. Stanley say, Avia, I have a paper here for you to sign. I said, Mr. Stanley, what kind of paper is this? I said, let me read it. He said, he want me help him. So I said, let me read it. When me read the paper is stating that Mutombo did a triple murder in Falmouth. And the paper is stating that he tell me that he was going to have the persons killed. that is what the paper is, you know.
So why would Mr. Stanley want to sign a paper like that to basically implicate yourself if you go to prison?
Right. So look now, the paper now that he is asking me to sign 3 dead bodies on the paper. You remember a triple murder that take place in Falmouth with I think it was those are the 3 persons that were written on the person. I think those are the 3 persons' names that are written on the paper. So he's saying to me, help me now. I want you to sign it for me, man. Sign it, say Tombo and tell us saying go kill them. Me say no, but me say me no know a person. The man Tombo never tell me that. So when me sign that, he must say me fi help him. So me say me can't help you with that because look on me say to him, say look on this paper. If me go sign this paper, me can't be charged with conspiracy.
Hold on, the phone break up.
Me can't be charged with conspiracy to murder. And me no know. Me said to Mr. Stanley, if I should sign this paper, I can be charged for a conspiracy to murder. So why should I sign it when I know the person, when I do not hold an argument like this to blight it myself? Why do you want me to do that, Mr. Stanley?
And what was his reply?
That's when he see that I'm determined not to sign it, he left with the paper and tell me, okay, I will find another way to sort out this and do not say this to nobody at all. So me say, me can't sit down and never say this to nobody. He go mad me and make me now move right, and plus I have to drive on the road. Me go kill people. So me run and my father now and say it to my father. And my father call him same time on the phone. And my father said to him, what is your telepitney say? Why is you come the telepitney say? And he said to my father, say, in tear of the paper and dash away that done with. Okay. That's what Mr. Stanley said to my father.
So Mutombo did...
So me feel a way and then when Mr. Stanley...
Hold on. So Mutombo did have any rivals in Falmouth, Trelawney? Or was he a hitman that persons basically paid to basically carry out crime?
No.
So you did
not like that. Most of people them what they most of people them what they saying kill are people them what like him have with them an altercation or whatever. That's why I say in take a matter in your hand.
So
some of them wrong with him, yes. Some of them wrong with him, but that's not the way you go at it, Tombo. That's not the way you go. But most of the people, them what you see in the what they
phone a break up. Wi-Fi use our service.
Service, I'm using service. Are you hearing me now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Most of the people, them what do a people saying earth are people a problem with and issues with, like for example ex-girlfriend out of Barrett Town and then with it. You get that? So people when have things with our and like in just a people and strangers or everybody and anybody know. That's why I say in take a law matter in hand. Because most of the time people are wrong with him. But that's not the way you go at it. That's not the way you go at it. You get what I'm saying?
I'm listening.
Yes, he wasn't a hitman.
Okay.
So
cool.
As I'm saying no, I was saying no about Mr. Stanley. as I was saying now about Mr. Stanley, the policeman, I don't know why he would choose to give me a paper like that to sign. It was very disturbing to my brain. After that, I even find myself gambling back what I don't use to just free my mind. Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. And another issue to that we were. Hello? Oh.
Hello?
Hello? Yes. Are you hearing me now?
Yeah, just stay one place so the phone can pick up basically.
Yes, so as I'm saying now, I feel away, man. I feel victimized about everything. I know everything take place. I feel away if you know, say. I feel away if you know, say, my name published so bad and me no do nothing like that. And I feel away if you know, say, my boyfriend so stupid and take a llama and I lose in life like that. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm listening.
I feel away about the whole situation. It is not a nice ordeal.
So what? So is it a case where you kind of feel guilty too?
In a what way? No, I don't feel.
Phone a break up, man, and it seems like the call have a 5-second latency or something like that. Hello.
Yes.
Stay one place.
As you were asking me now.
Yeah, I was asking you. I was asking if
I feel a little bit
guilty in any way. You sure it's not a guilty conscience I kind of bother you too? I'm just asking you, I mean, if you ask some question that is basically valid.
No, man, I have no problem if you ask me questions like that, man. No, man, I have no problem. No, I'm not guilty in no form way, sir. I'm not guilty in no form way because, look, reason why I'm not guilty in no form way, I haven't take place in any form of illegal activities.
So,
you get what I'm saying?
So basically,
other than me tell you, me know for a fact. Me know for a fact, say, my boyfriend wasn't 100% perfect. Me not gonna wrap him up like some people. Oh, my boyfriend was the best and Ray. No, he wasn't the best, but he worked hard. He humble. My boyfriend not even talk much. Sometimes I say, oh, young people in an argument and you not talk. Me, I want to chat enough. Him don't talk. You get what I'm saying? So, he's just stupid. He's stupid. Me not have nothing to feel guilty about. Not if the police them not feel guilty. So, oh, me go feel guilty. Then try to save him. I don't like they not try. We never try as a girlfriend and the family to save him. Because what we could have do, we could have waited until he in my house. We could have waited until if I ever one time I friend him up and carry him in my house or me go with him then when me and him asleep. I arrange with the family them to come with the police and then pay them and take him up with these. But we never do that. We never do that. And I don't say we could do that. We just no want to do why not say. And then look. Him pay liar, you know. Him pay one liar, him pay the liar lady. The liar lady we work with Mr. Clark from Freeport, the policeman. My boyfriend pay the liar. Go down to the liar. He ask the liar, how much you carry me in the liar? Tell my boyfriend pay the liar. All of a sudden, my boyfriend they run from the liar lady. After him pay a lady, you know, him a run from the lady. Me don't know why. So anyway, when me get incarcerated, my father saying go get lawyer if you come see what happened, what really they take place. Cause me no do nothing, me not supposed to in a jail. So anyway, when the lawyer come, I see him lady come, I see him lawyer lady when my tumble PR if you go in, and she come take me out of a Cambridge. When she come, she said she just asked me some question. Must about, me not tell lie, must about 40 questions or more per one question and answer sheet. She said at $60,000, no, must have $50,000, me not tell lie, 50,000 me pay her for the lawyer fee. So when me come out now, from jail now, she have to wait about a day or two before she get the lawyer fee. So me pay her the 50,000 plus me give her a little extra, me give her $1,000 for each day she wait and tell her thanks. Anyway, me come back home and me yard now. When me go up and question and answer there, hear the lady to me, the lawyer lady when she come. But I know this a girl here me did see him with. I want next slim little girl me did see him with when he ain't come. So me said to him, say, the little girl he used to talk to the little girl before he there with me. So why problem? So anyway, no say nothing, me sign up and left and come out. Second time me meet back a lawyer now. And when me get incarcerated, the second time now with the phone. Here the lawyer lady when time me meet him. Where Motombo dey? Me say to her, I say, me nah see him. Me nah see him, me and him no there again, me there a different place for him. He say, here lady, you know, say, girl, a liar, climb down my house, go dig up down there and see if you no find Motombo. When the police them carry me go over a gated community now, they see say, no Motombo, no, there are people stush place me there. Hello?
I'm listening.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, man, I'm listening.
Yes, as I'm saying now, the lawyer lady, or she in PM to go in. So, me say, why my boyfriend now and go in and him pay lady if you go in? So anyway, when me go up by station now and the lady come, give me the question and answer. The lady said to me, say, boy, if me know say a Ocean girlfriend, me no come. If me know say a Ocean girlfriend, me no come up here. So she said to me, say, but I know this a girl me see me that one different girl. So me said to him, say, man, the girl must have used to talk before me. But me don't know if him have no other girl with me now. So anyway, me come out. The second time I go back to jail now, the lawyer lady see me. So she asked me, say, where Ocean dey? Me say, me no know, me they are different part. We are different part, we know they run one another. He tell the police them to carry me down my house. Because Ocean good as all down there, Ocean down there. When the police come, they dig up a whole of down there, not a Ocean no down there. Police them carry me back and my man to go free, be a free port now. You know why lawyer lady do me after and carry me back a free port?
What?
One tab in my back. Hear it up to me now. Hear the lawyer lady to me now. Me hear say and Ocean the right out. Me hear say and him the right out. So me say to the lady say me and him no the right out. A different place me dey by myself. One tab in my back. So anyway, when me reach a Cambridge lock up now, the police them ask me say if me get any injury or any little thing. Me say no, nothing happened to me. And me right, me tell them and they right no in a book and everything. So when they done sign up a book now, me show the police them up at Cambridge me back. And the sergeant, Mr. Hamilton, me show him me back where woman tabbed me. So Mr. Hamilton, the sergeant said to me say, so Avia, then tab you in your back. Why you no report it? Why you no report it? Why you afraid police kill you?
What she use?
Me say me no want. Pardon?
What she use and stab in your back?
Me don't know what she use because me turn back way when time the woman stabbed me in my back.
So a lawyer stab you?
Me expect one tab in my back. Me never expect him. Me say, so look at now. When me go up a free, when me go up, you know. When me go up, you all the woman to me down a free port. That girl are lucky saying no me when me tap beat girl. So when me reach.
So hold on, you did a bleed?
Yes, and me back are black and blue. And me say watch I know me just hold it. Me just hold it and me tell when the police them question you up at Cambridge, me tell them say no, me no get no injury, no everything good. And when they done write up the book now, me show them. Me show a big woman run off the station and me show Mr. Hamilton me back. So Mr. Hamilton says, so why you no report it? Why you do you afraid police kill you? Me say no. Remember say all the people know me and police, you know. And me and people and police never in an argument or problem yet. So me there with this a why you know. Me would they go through them a problem with the police. And the police know say me can call the boy and like tell him when me carry food go give boy, me can line them up to catch him and me they do it. So me say, so make it go along, me nah watch no one no cost life, no cost nothing. So me did know and be a really could stab and then we when time me come out. By me come out it dry up and it went still black and blue liquid till it gone down. Anyway, me I said to myself, say, oh, this a lawyer lady at the move so. Me got a station and instead I ask me about the dead body, them what they did. Me I say instead I lady ask me about them people, them what they did and then like way they all my uncle what dead and how much something. Instead I lady ask me about them, they something they know. The lady ask me about man and relationship and the right out. What that have to do with you? So me no come here to come explain if me a man the right out or what. A dead body and then something me think you can talk to me about the people them are the dead. So me I said, no man, this a woman that seems too good to be true. So the second time I got station, no, you're a lady to me, have a lawyer fee. Me say, no, me no have no lawyer fee, me no have no money. Cause last time she come right back here, and 60,000 it cost me. So me make sure I tell her, I say, no come back up there for me this a time. So even if me have to be one next lawyer, 60 grand again, make it be one different lawyer. Me no want you see him one to come to represent me. Me good. And me go up at Cambridge and do it time. When me come out now, after me come out from Cambridge, you're a woman to me when me don't have Freeport. Before me go to Cambridge the second time. Then transfer me from Freeport to Cambridge, you know. You're a woman to me. I go and fuck up you, you see. I go and fuck up you can't go believe. I go and fuck up you in a neatest way.
So
that's how I lady said to me, you know.
So how long did you spend at Cambridge?
The last time me do 10 days.
Okay, go ahead.
And the first time me do actually about same 10 days to the first time. And I just detain.
Okay.
Pay 10 days me detain for other police come there and see me in myself. And say, like he said, they are breaching the constitutional rights. Because if you're not charged, you're supposed to be released already. Same so